I'm like, if you got Tushi's autograph, man, do it on my butt cheeks, but I don't want your autograph. And the hey! What? Duck-faced idiot? I don't know. I couldn't think of anything. The road is done. The road is complete. Did we have any fun? Kind of. That little overtake was fun. But now we got the USPS. If you ain't delivering the packages for me, you ain't delivering packages, homie. We got an entourage of vehicles on the left. We got a trash mobile up in the front. And soon we'll have a car up my butt tailgating me. Sorry, fat dude, I didn't see you. Why is everyone who's out today fat? Is it like, I don't know, Weight Watchers, group ride or something? Ooh, man. Remember that video you guys saw of the M4 on the R6, the Kakarot? Ooh, I wish an M4 would F with me right now, man. I wish an M4 would F. Wish an M4 would F, man. How are we going the same speed as that big trash can car? You kidding me, guys? We're barely going a little bit above the trash can dude. Oh, it didn't smell that bad. Actually, oh my god, that hit me hard when I took a big whiff. Yeah, Lexus, choke on this. How about we say we explore just a little bit before we make a eerie when we come back around. I grew up in Streatham, Manchester. I grew up in Streatham. Man, I want to listen to music so bad right now. My girl listens to that song with that guy, some London rap. Like, I'm sorry, man. It ain't rap, like true rap, if it's not American rap, man. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this, but like, I grew up in Streatham. Like, what the hell is that, man? What the hell is that? It's like, I grew up in Compton. Grew up in Inglewood, Westwood. Nah, but seriously, like, I don't know. When I hear, like, a British rap songs or a Londoner, I don't even know what you want to call them. It just sounds like, it's good. It's not bad. But, like, don't call it rap, man. Don't call it rap. Like, I'm sorry. I know it's like, I'm gonna rub a lot of people the wrong way because I got a lot of UK fans. But, like, you can't compare that guy to, like, I don't know. You can't compare that guy to Drake. You can't compare that guy to, like, you know, Kendrick, J. Cole. Can't do that, man. That's like a different league. It's like comparing, like, you know, G League with G League is too close. I want to say, like, college basketball to NBA, which again is kind of close. Okay, high school basketball, not really, because Bronny's kind of like tearing it up. They're having nationally televised games and whatnot. So it's like, I don't know, middle school basketball compared to NBA. I'm gonna just put it at that, which no hate, but you know, oh, somebody wants a Zoom, and a Tacoma wants a Zoom. You got a Chica in the car, huh? One thing I never understood, he had that lane open, yet he still went all deep up in that car in front of him, that Lexus. He went all the way deep up in that car and then switched lanes when you had enough room to just switch lanes before you tailgate the crap out of an Amiga. Ooh, man, listen to her pops, crackles. I grew up in Streatham, Manchester. I said I grew up in Streatham. Boys want to test him. I said I grew up in Streatham. I don't even know what he says, man. Like, if I can't rap along, man, how the hell am I supposed to be a fan, huh? With Lil Wayne, I catch his new songs, new lyrics before he even raps them. With Kendrick, he talks about my childhood. With J. Cole, wet dreams, man. But like, how am I supposed to? With Tupac, he reminds me also of my childhood because I used to listen to him. But Kendrick is a rapper that reminds me of like, because when I was younger, I used to live in the projects and stuff. So like, it reminds me, a lot of the stuff he says was stuff that used to actually happen in the places that I live. But I was still a good boy. I never did anything bad. So don't pull me as that. I'm still a G in the heart. But outside, I'm a cute, cuddly kid. Alright? Cute, cuddly kid. Because I didn't grow up in Streatham, Manchester. I don't even know what he's saying, man. I wish I could rap the lyrics to you. But I don't even know what he's saying. And I'm not about to pull up Genius and look up the lyrics. Because that's fat. When there's a line for a human being, what they selling, homie? And can I get a piece of that? Is what I'm saying. Because I'm running insane. Okay, Broly doesn't like going so slow. Go faster, man. Because I grew up in Streatham. That's going to be what we're going to be saying today. Am I gonna cut soon? Am I gonna cut soon? Should I cut? Should I cut? Everyone's doing it. Whooping Streatham. Woof. Homie! Stop swerving. Stop braking. It's a green line. tell that should we tell him? I feel like she's just not even gonna look at me. If I tell her, she'll think I'm robbing her. I kind of get that feeling from her. Streatham. She meant testum. He's talking about testicles. He grew up in Streatham and had to eat testicles. Is that what he's talking about? Is that what he's rapping about? Testicles, testes, or testosterone? Does he take steroids? Chen. I like T words. Today's words we're gonna try to use are T words. T streets. You know, I met that guy T streets. Whoever produced Got Money, I met him. He tried to give me his autograph. I was like, I don't want it, man. I don't want it. I felt so bad. I ended up taking it. Because this is the point where he was offering it so much. I had to give it to you. It was at an all-star game. A long time ago. Que pasa de guapo de pelo rico? I don't know what that means. I'm not an autograph kind of guy, but like, I don't know if I would have gotten it or not. I don't know if I would have gotten it, but like with T-Streets or somebody, whoever produced Got Money. I'm like, if you got Tushi's autograph, man, do it on my butt cheeks, but I don't want your autograph. It was like me, like, you know, resisting and he trying to like shove it in my face. And in the end, I opened my mouth and I was like, finally, man, fine, man, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Cause I told him, man, I grew up in Streatham. Oh, homie, in the Panamera. You can get it. Open Streatham. Everybody testing. I could have lane split that hoe. I grew up in Streatham. Body testing. Man, I wanna just oof, that BMW X or whatever, I don't know what it's called. The Z series or whatever. I wanna just destroy that. But not yet, Broly not into it yet. Broly wants to, but I cannot let her. Cause he grew up in Streatham. My girl's gotta watch this video and like defend him. Well, he did grow up there. Just cause you don't like him, so many other people like him. She actually likes that guy. Or the song, I don't know. Or London Rap, I think, I don't know. I just know something with that, cause I got introduced to that song because of her. Okay, why is everybody getting me out of this lane all of a sudden? Is something about to happen? Is someone's car not working up there? Oh man, somebody who's smoking, man. Oh, ass. Straight ass. Ooh, I like that license plate frame. It's a golf club. Oh, that is cool. I don't play golf, and people who play golf are losers. Besides Tiger Woods, he was cool and stuff. And then, but that dude, dude's a legend, man. Smashing cheeks. Dude's a legend. I used to like him, but now I love him. Woo! Nah, but seriously, golf, really? You barely move. How is that even a sport? Okay, why does it smell like smoke? Like cigarettes. By the way, if you smoke, hey, homeless dude, if you smoke, you ain't getting ass, I can tell you that much. Why is there so much traffic? Because a group of Streatham? Is that why? What's the traffic at in Streatham? I'll put how it's spelled on the screen, so any of you Londoners can tell me how to say it. So you don't get your knickers in a bunch. Group in Streatham. Oh, in and out, that smells good. Hey! Never pop out like that, homie. I wish I had a rear camera so I could show you how much in my lane he came in when he pulled it out. Cause did he get open Streatham? With the body, chestum. Cause I grew up in Streatham. I grew up in Streatham. Well, I like that thick tires. But you gotta wash that hole, man. I can't give you my final verdict until you wash that hole. You need a Febreze it, homie. You need a Febreze it. I grew up in Streatham. Let's get turned. I feel like saying the Pacifica. I really want to figure out, man, who are the people out there naming these cars, man? How the hell does this whole ass car look like a Pacifica? Like, that kind of looks like a Tundra, you know, because the element, the weather area, marsh, all that stuff. I don't know what it's called. Environment. So I kind of understand Tundra, you know, truck. I get it. But like, come on, Pacifica. How the hell is this Pacifica? It's a specific piece of garbage. That's what it is. And I don't think this is sold in Streatham, because stuff like that don't fly over there, man. They thugs over there. This kind of stuff don't fly over there, because they thugs over there. Gang. They represent that gang. Watch somebody from Stratham's gonna like do a drive-by on me. God forbid. I'm just saying. God forbid though. This guy from Streatham, men test him. Cup of tea, mate. Knickers. Harpoon. The Queen. Palabra. Street sawing. Telephone booth. Crumpet. And that's all my British stuff that I know, or English stuff. If I knew. If I knew. Ooh, auto spa. Legit, I take my car there because I love spas. Your boy is a lover of spas. Yeah, he needs that car. Look at him, he's huge. He look like he drive a Harley Davidson though, and like he would kill me. Perform a hate crime because I'm brown. Brown like chocolate. Brown like just, you know, sexy milk chocolate. Put a little Brazilian in there, put a little Cubano in there, and you got yourself a riding insane. Riding insane. Insane is how he rides, because he's riding insane. Alright, we finna turn. Because as much as I would like to ride in traffic, this ain't my cup of tea. See how I did that? For my British fans, my UK fans. I have no idea what UK is. I know it's a country or something like that, or England, Great Britain, all that stuff. No idea. My girl tried to explain it to me, but I zoned out pretty quick. If it's not about ass, can't really concentrate. I can't tell you how many times at work I'm sitting in a meeting just thinking of ass. And they're like, hey, riding insane, what do you think about this? Can this be done? And I'm like, yeah, man, go for it. Ass. Ooh, gun show! Would they allow me because I'm brown? Actually, I want to go to a gun show. We got ammo. We've got ammo. Ooh, I got a gun show to give you like free guns and stuff. You know, you go to like a fitness show, Fit Expo. They give you free supplements, free wrist straps, wristbands, all sorts of goodies to make you walk out better. But at a gun show, do they give you like guns and pistols and ammo and stuff like that, which could be hella dangerous. I've never been into guns and stuff, man. Nah. And people who usually are into guns are kind of weird. You know, they're kind of weird. I can't describe how weird they are because I might be describing some of you guys who watch my channel. But like, gun freaks are always weird. Isn't some guns name the same name as a condom? If I knew, because who uses a condom, huh? That wasn't funny. Holy Wi-Fi, that's fast. I like that one. Holy Wi-Fi, that's fast. I like that. I'd buy Cox's internet just because the name Cox, but also because of that one line. Holy Wi-Fi, that's fast. Then we're in Pacifica. We're in training mode. Alright, Honda, go F yourself. Have you ever noticed that people who walk dogs, or not walk dogs, people who have dogs look like the dogs? Look like the dog that they own? Which is always hilarious. I don't get how. But I know the answer to how. You know why? Because I grew up in Streatham, in Tustin. Okay, tomorrow's ride, if it does not rain on our whole ass, then we will go and we will get ourselves my other helmet. We're going to charge the center up. We're going to ride with some music. I was gonna rub it harder, but she was just checking up on the looks. From the side mirror, she looks ugly as hell, but hey, she's trying, right? Which brings me to another topic that I've discussed before, but I gotta mention again that I actually have a lot of followers that are high. Sometimes on Instagram, everyone who watches, I post stories. People who watch my stories, sometimes I let people know that, hey, whoever watches my stories, now I'm gonna watch your stories to post some good stuff. Some people be actually hot on them. And that's not even counting all my followers. There's like a couple thousand who actually watch my, not a couple thousand, but like a little above 1,000 people watch my stories on average, I'd say. Yeah, but whenever I watch them, some of the girls be hot. Not the guy, they're ugly as hell. There's one guy who was pretty good looking, but all the girls, a lot of girls, not all of them, some of them.
Look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waste. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab a knife.